Yeah, good evening. I'm here to talk about a lot of computer that does not have Bluetooth, infrared, and Wi-Fi. A lot of computer, first generation, second, third, and fourth, fifth generation computer, like this computer here, Acer. This computer Acer here is an old computer. It has no Wi-Fi, it has no Bluetooth, no infrared. With this, we find it so difficult to browse on the internet, except you have to take this computer to a cyber cafe. If you don't take it to a cyber cafe, if you have wide area network one in your house as home area network, if you set up a home area network in your house, we find it so easy to browse with it, or with Ethernet key, when I call it Ethernet key, Caveta in the Telatala language. Yeah, I'm going to talk about how we set up with wireless router and a laptop computer that does not have Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and infrared. Though I know I will find it so difficult to connect to the internet because I don't have wide area network here. I don't have a wide area network here which I can connect from to this laptop computer to be able to enable me to browse on the internet. Yeah, here I will start from. This is a new wireless router to boost this computer to the internet. I bought it today. Today is the 20th Tuesday, June 2017. I bought it today. It's very expensive. The new one is a China model. The China model. I open it. Yeah, this is the carton. Is it new? Yeah. This is a TP-Link. You have different ports. This is the antenna. You set it like this, antenna. We have different type of ports here. The blue one is for wide area network. If you have wide area network here, wide area network router here for the internet. What is the meaning of this wide area network? Wide area network is a computer internet protocol that covers a large geographic area. You understand that? Yeah. With this, if I have wide area network here with this very router here, I can browse through this laptop, though it does not have a Wi-Fi. Like I said, if I have the wide area network here, I can be able to browse here. But I want to see if I can browse with this laptop computer without the wide area network. I just want to try. I know it's very, very difficult. I cannot, but I just want to try. Yeah, let's start here. Firstly, I bring out this. I'll connect. This one here is the modem cord, modem cable from the router to the laptop. Is the modem cable here. While this one is the adapter connection from the energy to the router. I use what? Connect to the energy. Yeah. You have the port here. You have the port here. Yes. This is the port here. Connect to the port. This button here, this black button here, is for turning on the router. While this yellow one is for different type of computer. We have 4 computers here. For example, this router is able to connect to the internet. If I have the wide area network here, I can be able to connect 4 computers to this router, and 4 computers will be browsing at the same time, like a cyber cafe. Here is the button for one. We have 2 buttons here, one for reset, the other one for turning on Wi-Fi and turning off Wi-Fi. Yeah. Let me bring out the modem cord. This is the modem cord here. Modem cord, we have it. Yeah. Have the cable here. Yeah. Connect here. Modem cable. Oh, yeah. Let me turn on the computer first. This computer was a gift. Was given to me. No Bluetooth, no infrared, no Wi-Fi, just deaf, blank, doing nothing. The only way I can use this computer now is if I had Ethernet key, either Wind, Vodafone, Leica, or Team, or other network telecommunication line that browse on internet. But the way it is now, I cannot browse with it. Except I have to take this very computer to a cyber cafe, then I will connect to their own wide area network router, which is Ethernet router, to this laptop. I can be able to browse. That's the only way, because there's no Wi-Fi here, so I will find it so difficult to browse with it. Yeah. Now computer, here is the desktop. We get to the reach the desktop. I will have to connect here. Connect this to the laptop computer. Yes. Yeah, I expect you to let me turn it on here. Now see the light here. This is the turning on light. See the green light is on. While this one is the laptop. It detected the laptop. This very one here, this button here, this indicator here, the green one indicator here is for the Wi-Fi. It shows that now it's connected to Wi-Fi. But my surprise here is this: the laptop will not detect the Wi-Fi. That means this router cannot detect the laptop, cannot associate with the laptop, because the Wi-Fi here is not functioning. We have to connect to wide area network, and again here I don't have wide area network here that would be able to enable me to connect to the internet. But I just want to try if I can connect with the Wi-Fi I have here. I have the Wi-Fi here. I will browse it with my notebook here. This is my notebook computer. My notebook computer, I bought it almost a year ago, so I can browse with it with the Wi-Fi. Later on, I will show how I configure it so that everything will be okay. Now we see. Now it's connected to the computer. You see, it detected. Let me bring out this one here. Now it detected. So before we can connect to the wide area network, we need to subscribe, and that is a lot of money. Either in America, London, Canada, Germany, all different type of country, you can subscribe. You pay monthly, every monthly payment for the wide area network. The subscription fees is very expensive. If you like, for example, I want to set up a home network here. I will have to subscribe from another country, or in any country, anybody that have the internet access point here, ISP subscribers. They subscribe. They have a subscription fee. We pay subscription fees. If I want to subscribe now, we have to contact them, then get the ISP number, the information number, then set up my own home network here. I will be browsing here. Even my neighbor can connect from me. They will connect from me, and I will give them ISP number, so they will browse also with the same ISP information. Yeah. Network is any international group of a computer system. You understand? It's another group of computer. Wireless network is a type of computer that are not connected with a cable of any kind. Wireless network is a computer that are not connected with a cable of any kind. That is what we call Wi-Fi. It's automatic. You don't need to connect with cable. That's why I'm still surprised about this Wi-Fi here. It's blinking here that it has Wi-Fi. But what I'm seeing here now, I can see that I don't think the Wi-Fi can work here, because I don't have Wi-Fi on this computer, this laptop computer. No Wi-Fi, no Bluetooth, no infrared. It will be very difficult. So what I'm going to do here is this. Now, the model here I have detected here. Let me bring it in. Look at the model here. The model detected here. It detected. Now, look at the model. It detected. So what are we going to do now? Now I'm going to set it up. What will I do? I will have to insert the CD. I will insert the CD. I brought out the CD here. This is the CD here to set it up. The software CD. This is the software CD here. Yeah, this is the software CD. It's a very small software. CD is the CD tray, CD-ROM tray. Start it here, see, then enter. Wait for a minute. Yes, it's still booting. We are coming. Still booting. Yeah, and you can see it has display. A display. What we have here, we have two type of software here, application software here, or let me say, two type of router software here. Software. Yeah, the first one said TLW R0841ND. The second one TLW R818411N. Sorry about that. So let's continue. I'm going to use the second software. Here you see LAN. If you click, you see easy setup, and the second one user guide. Two options. So I'm going to take easy setup. Take easy setup. You're waiting. Continue installation. We know we have three type of wide area network router. We have three type of wide area network router. Here we said English language. Let's select English language. Is the language English. Start. Next. Now we are waiting. We have three type of wide area network. We have a Patronet, ShawnTel, and Vivas, etc. And so on and so forth. And we are waiting here to see what is going to happen. Though I know the laptop computer can detect the network adapter enabled. It can detect. Yeah, you can see now it has detected the adapter, the wireless net adapter. This is a wireless router. The laptop have detected it. Now we are waiting for the one. You see, it could not. The one could not detect because we don't have wide area network here. The wide area network router is not here, so we find it so difficult to connect to the internet to continue the configuration. But what we are going to do here now is that I'm going to cancel it here to go back direct to the configuration of the wide area network. I'm going to go down. What I'm going to do now is this. Yeah, first of all, let me check. You can see the modem now is connected. It's almost browsing now. If you check now, it's browsing, but it's not browsing. It shows that it has been connected to the internet. So if we find it so difficult to connect to the internet to browse because there's no wide area network and there's no Wi-Fi connected to it. It's only the router now that is functioning and the modem. They are working. Two of them they have associated to each other. So they are working now. So let me see what will happen. Let me open. See, you see it's reading that is browsing. See, so now open. See now disable. Enable. If I click now to enable. If I click now, it's enable. Now say connesso, which is in Italian language, we say connesso, which is connected. You see, it's connected. Now, what will I do next? Let me go to this place. Let me go to internet login. What will I do? I'll type TP link login.net. Now we see here we have different name, username, and username and password. Admin. I'll tap in admin, then tap in admin as password. Then admin as password. Admin. Then okay. Here we are. Now you see Here we are. We have here quick setup. So we are going to set up here. What I'm going to do, status. See the information here. Everything's correct as a setup. Everything's correct. Disabled. Everything is in order. But the only problem we have here, say one port is unplugged because there's no one here. Wide area network. Like I said before, wide area network ports, we don't have it here, so we find it so difficult to browse to connect to the internet. So let me go to wireless network. This is here we have wireless network. We have wireless network. What do we have here? Everything here set up auto here. Go down. Everything safe, good. Then I go to wireless security. Everything is in order. The same thing. Yeah. So go down to see. Scroll down. Yeah, we have hexadecimal. Hexadecimal, we change it to ASCII. Then type admin here. Firstly, enable to say 64 bit, 128 bit, or 152 bit. There are different type of bit. For the reason, they type admin as a web key. Admin as web key. Scroll down. Say save. Yeah, it has agreed. Now let me go to internet direct. If we can browse. Now we are waiting. You can see here it's functioning. Here it's reading. Likewise here, see, it's blinking, just as if it has been connected to the internet. Yeah, it's reading. Yeah, but let's wait and see what will happen next. Unable to connect to the internet. Now you see impossibile visualizzare la pagina, because it says it's impossible to display the page because it's not connected to the internet. We don't have wide area network here. The router, that router can enable the computer to browse to the internet. We need to subscribe, but we don't have it here. We don't have the router here. If we have it here, at least I think there's a port somewhere where we can be able to connect. You understand? Now, like I was saying before, this is my notebook laptop, my notebook computer. Like I was saying before. Now I want to connect to the internet now with this notebook, so that you will understand what I'm saying. Now with Wi-Fi, because I have a Wi-Fi here. Now, firstly, option, go to setting. I go to setting. Then from setting here we get Wi-Fi, we get Bluetooth. Now I'm going to click on Wi-Fi here. Wi-Fi. Now you can see it's off. The option here, this is the button here. Now I want to turn it on. Turn on. Say it's turned on now. So what do we want to do now? What do you expect I should do now next? Now it appear here up. Signal into Wi-Fi. Now you click, open it up. You click Wi-Fi. Let's see what will happen if we connect. Here you open the dialog. There you click usually just once. We are waiting. Now see the dialog box where password and username will be entered to enable the notebook to connect to the internet. Here we have it here, the username and the password. Yeah, I say login. Yeah, that's connected. You see, I have about 446 hours. You see, now the computer is connected to the internet now. So what should I do now? How do we know that the computer is connected to the internet? Let's go to option. Go to Google. Open. Yeah, Google here. Now say wide area network. Wide area network. Wide area network. Router. Now we see. Okay. Now we see. Now you see. This is the price where we can. This is the price of the wide area network router. It's very, very expensive. So let me see the image, the full image of it. You see the image. This is the connection of the wide area network information. Now you see. Now you see that with this notebook now, I can browse with Wi-Fi. If this laptop now have Wi-Fi now, I will connect direct. No need to buy this router, this wireless router, because this laptop does not have wireless router. I went to the market, to the shop, a computer shop, to purchase the wireless router. I was thinking maybe with this Wi-Fi, I will be able to connect direct after setting up the configure. After setting up the internet setup, then I will be able to connect to the internet with the laptop, but it's not functioning. So the problem we are having here now is this Wi-Fi. Now you can see the power on, the Wi-Fi and the modem. This button here we have here, this button here, this very button here is the one button, wide area network port. If I connect the wide area network here now, you have a place here. This is the place, the blue port. That is for the wide area network. If I connect the wide area network to this router now, then for this router to the computer, to the laptop computer, I will set up the laptop computer and configure everything. Then the laptop can browse perfectly like other computer we have today. You see the difference now. The difference we have here now is that the laptop computer does not have Wi-Fi.